In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Zoho WorkDrive desktop app, also known as TrueSync, for Windows. This process is straightforward and will allow you to seamlessly synchronize your files between your computer and the cloud, ensuring that your important documents are always up to date and accessible. First things first, you need to download the TrueSync application for Windows from the Zoho Help Center. To do this, simply navigate to the Zoho website and look for the section where you can download the TrueSync app. The website is designed to be user-friendly, so it shouldn't be too difficult to find the link you need. Once you've located it, click to initiate the download process. This may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed, so now might be a good time to grab a quick coffee if you need one. Once your download is complete, it's time to execute the downloaded file. Locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click on it to start the installation process. You will notice the Install Shield wizard pop up on your screen. This wizard will guide you through the installation step by step, making it an easy task even for those who might not be very tech-savvy. As the Install Shield wizard opens, you'll be greeted with prompts instructing you on what to do next. You'll want to click Next to move forward and subsequently Install to begin the installation. This part is pretty hands-off. It will require very little input from you, just a bit of patience as your computer completes the installation. Once installed, the next step is to sign in to your Zoho WorkDrive account. At this point, you should see a prompt on your screen that has a Sign In option. Go ahead and click on it. This will initiate the authentication process, and it's here that your web browser will come into play. You will be redirected automatically to your default browser, where you will need to enter your Zoho WorkDrive username and password. If you've forgotten your password, no worries. There's usually an option to recover or reset it right on the sign-in page. Finally, after you've authenticated your account, the software will ask you to start synchronizing your files. You'll see a button labeled Start Sync. Click it to begin. And just like that, your Zoho WorkDrive will start syncing your files. You'll notice your documents updating in real time, which is incredibly useful, whether you're working remotely or just need to ensure everything's backed up. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Zoho WorkDrive desktop app, and you're ready to enjoy the benefits of seamless cloud file synchronization. We hope you found this guide easy to follow, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy syncing!